I'm going to make this easier for myself by starting out penciling in a nice circle. Now you can, if you haven't got a compass, you can draw around a coin or any other thing, jam jar lids, something circular. And then I'm going to try and neatly go all the way around the outside. And even with that pencil line there, it's not easy drawing a circle. That's a little bit wobbly, isn't it? Now I'm going to go right down the middle, which is what we call the diameter. And then I'm going to try and split these in two, like that. And I'm going to help myself here, but I think I've gone that far. So go to about there, set like a target. Because if you do them differently, then it doesn't look right. There, that's good. And then I'm going to draw lines going across. So this is just the way Chinese lantern is made up, and it's all got these folds in it. So these are the foldy bits. And the curvy lines are actually kind of when the pieces of paper are stuck together. Now on the top, we want to have a little box like that, and on the bottom, we want to have a little box like that. And this is sort of shiny black lacquer. So what I'm going to do is do this scribble, scribble, scribble line like that. This is to help it make it look shiny. So there, like that. And then I'm going to shade the rest in with my brush pen so I can do it more quickly. And while I'm doing that, you obviously love drawing if you're still watching, so click the subscribe button and make sure you come back to Draw Stuff Real Easy for lots more drawing videos every week. Now what we need to do is to have a handle, which is going to be going around the top like that. And then we have, what do you call it, fringing. So we have these sort of fringes hanging down here like that. And then there's usually a little tassel hanging down as well, which is going to come around like that and around like that. And again, this is quite tricky. So I'm just going to draw those lines like that. Now all you need to do is colour it in. Make sure you're subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy. Click the subscribe button and I'll see you next time. Bye.